and it is a research common entrance test 2021 for the state government universities, and the eligibility is a post graduation. UGC NET or GATE is not at all required, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the PhD admission notifications. And here the selection will be based upon the entrance test plus interview, and whatever the job requirements or the PhD notifications you are looking for. So please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this research common entrance test. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search, and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending a lot of recruitment notifications. Free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English. Okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link. Then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGC NET online live classes from the Unacademy side. Coming to the present content of the video. So it is Andhra Pradesh Research Common Entrance Test 2021, which is conducted by the Sri Venkateswara University Tirupati on behalf of APSCHE. So first in the information brochure, we will check out what are the different subjects are there. Okay, that means for which subject the entrance test is conducting. And you may check down here the adult education, anthropology, archaeology, Buddhist studies, commerce, comparative Dravidian literature and philosophy, economics and education, English, fine arts, folklore and Hindi, history, Southeast Asian and Pacific studies, communication and journalism, Kannada, law, library and information science, linguistics, management, music, performing arts and philosophy, physical education, political science, population studies and psychology, public administration, and Dr. Ambedkar Chair and Rural Development, and Sanskrit, Social Work, Sociology, Tamil, Telugu, Tourism Management, Tulu, and Women Studies, Yoga and Consciousness, Applied Life Sciences, Botany, Chemical Sciences, and Computer Science and Applications, and Electronics Instrumentation, Environmental Science, Geography, Geology, Virology, Home Science, Material Science and Nanotechnology, Mathematics and Meteorology, Space Technology, Atmospheric Sciences, Physics, Agriculture, Statistics, Zoology, Architecture and Planning, Civil Engineering, Chemical, Computer Science and Engineering, and Electrical, Electronics and Communication, Food Technology, Mechanical Engineering, Metallurgical Engineering, Marine Engineering, Pharmacy, Biochemistry, Geo, and Mahatma Jyotirao Phule Study, Urdu and Biotechnology. Total from 75 subjects here the research entrance test is going to happen. So if you belongs to any one of these subjects from all over the India, you may apply this. The candidates can select at least 2 subjects only while submitting the application. And for additional subject, the candidate has to pay the additional fee of 1500 rupees for OC and 1300 rupees for BC and 1000 rupees for the SC, ST and PhD. And the test will be conducted in all the districts of Andhra Pradesh as well as Hyderabad. Okay. And if you want to check the important dates, then click on this one. Then you will be directed to the important dates here. Date of commencement of online registration 11th October, and the closing date of online application without late fee 31st October, and the last date of online submission of application with the late fee 2000 rupees 1st November to 5th November, and 6 to 8 with 5000. Corrections for already submitted 6 to 8th November. Downloading of hall tickets 15th November. Examination dates are 22nd November to 25th November. Declaration of preliminary key as well as last date of receiving the applications, and declaration of eligibility for the interview 29th November. Okay, so these are the main important dates, guys. And coming to the eligibility, so click on this eligibility and then you will be directed to the what are the different eligibility qualifications, requirement for the full-time as well as part-time, that you may check down here. So coming to the full-time, the candidates for admission to PhD program shall have the master's degree or professional degree declared equivalent to the master's degree by the corresponding statutory regulatory body with at least 55% of marks, and 5% of marks relaxation is provided to the candidates who belongs to SC, ST and BC non-creamy layer, as well as the differently abled and other candidates or the categories of candidates as per the decision of the University Grants Commission. Okay. And coming to the part-time, the candidate satisfying the eligibility conditions noted above can be considered as a part-time through an entrance test. So the candidate must be regular faculty working in university or the PG centers, faculty working in PG and professional colleges having completed at least 2 years of service. This provision is not applicable to faculty teaching the physics, chemistry, mathematics and humanities or in professional colleges. Or faculty or librarians or assistant librarians working in affiliated degree or PG colleges and faculty teaching physics, chemistry, mathematics and humanities in professional colleges have completed at least 2 years of service. And faculty working in government or polytechnic or private aided junior colleges or schools have completed at least 4 years of service. Okay. And the candidate satisfying the following requirement shall be eligible to appear for the APRCET. So candidate should be of Indian nationality or persons of Indian origin, and candidate should belong to the state of Andhra Pradesh. The candidate should satisfy local or non-local status requirements laid down in Andhra Pradesh educational qualifications order as subsequently amended. And a few more instructions are also given here, and I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. So you please go through very clearly one by one. Okay. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And you can check down the number of vacancy positions as per the university. So total 14 universities are participating here. Acharya Nagarjuna University from Guntur and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University and Vikramasimha Puri University and Sri Krishna Devaraya University, Andhra University, Dravidian University, JNTU Anantapur and Kakinada, Krishna University, Rayalaseema University, Kurnool and Sri Padmavati Mahila Vishwavidyalaya, Tirupati, Venkateshwara University, Tirupati and Yogi Vemana University and Adhikavi Nannaya University, Rajamahendravaram. Fine. So these are the different colleges, and if you want to see the university wise vacancies, then just click on that view and then you will be directed to here. So full time how many vacancies are there, part time how many vacancies are there in the respective universities. Okay. So please share this one, guys, and if your requirement is not there in this video, then mention your requirement in the comment section. So if I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as an immediate notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this, otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. and just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys.